Hello Invigilator, my name is Jasprit Kauratwal, student ID 300978884. I'm a student of Ballarat University, which is known as Federation Square. I'm going to talk about disaster recovery plan, which is the fourth topic of ITECH 6207 IT Contemporary Challanges. First of all, I would like to say what is disaster and what is disaster recovery plan. And then I would like to tell you the process of this disaster recovery plan. A disaster is an adverse incident that in some ways causes the loss of ability to perform a specific or group of business, function or activities. This incident could be the result of a natural event, a human mistake or willful damage. The Technology Infrastructure Services Disaster Recovery Plan is a comprehensive statement of actions to be taken before, during and after a disaster. A disaster recovery plan is designed to reduce the risk to an acceptable level by ensuring the restorations of critical functions and services within a short time frame, and all essential production within a longer but permissible time frame. This plan identifies the critical functions and services for the university and the resources required to support the whole organization. Now I would like to tell you the process of disaster recovery plan and how we can make it. First of all, there is 6 points. The first one is preparations. Preparation never be leave on the next step. You should start right now. Do not leave your disaster recovery plan for when things are quieter or there is some disaster more time. Disaster can strike at any time and you need to be prepared for form a project team to create your disaster recovery plan. The second one is assessing impact. Your project team should brainstorm ideas of possible disasters no matter how unlikely. Once a comprehensive list is created, assess each situation for likelihood and severity. The third one is putting the plan together. Once the assessment is completed, you can start putting your disaster recovery together. The fourth one is testing. It is pointless, however, to wait for a disaster to see if your plan works. That is why through testing of your plan is recommended to test for weakness and areas that do not work effectively. The testing process requires you to replicate one of your disaster scenario as closely as possible. For example, assume that there has been a fire in your building and the damage is extensive. You are first on the scene. What do you do? So according to that, you have to make your testing process. And the last one is training. Once your plan has been tested and all necessary changes made, it is critical that it should communicate to your staff. Staff members must be aware of what happens and what activities they are responsible for under the plan. As with the entire process, this is a serious matter and it is essential that everyone understands the steps to be taken in case of a disaster. The sixth one is maintaining the plan. As with most things in business, your disaster recovery plan is not a set and forget. It is essential that your plan is regularly maintained to keep up to date with the changes to your staff, your business process and environment, so that your plan should work properly in the disaster recovery plan in the disaster situations. To conclude, I can say that our disaster recovery plan is an essential part for the business to keep the business safe in the situation of the disasters. These disasters happens anytime. If we have a disaster recovery plan, we can save our business from disasters and we will have the whole business in our hands. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.